guys, today guys we have a empty house tour. Can you believe it? I finally found an apartment and I'm excited at the same time, like a little kind of stressed because too much is going on too fast. So guys, I'll show you the apartment right now. There's nothing, everything is empty. So let's start with the let's start right here. So there's the door. Once you walk in, there's a closet right here. I think it's a decent size closet. Yes, and then right here, this is the living room, which is, I think, is big, right? And then once you walk here, it's the kitchen. Follow me. The kitchen is a little bit tight. Yes, I know. I'm poor. I don't have a, what do you call this? Those fancy refrigerator. Because I saw on TikTok, if you have white refrigerator, that means you are poor. I guess I'm poor. So we have just a regular refrigerator. It's brand new. Once you are here, compared to the kitchen that I have right now, stove, white stove as well. And cabinets, the cabinets are not brand new, which I don't like that, but I think I have enough cabinet space considering living in Brooklyn and in New York. You know, this apartment was really God's blessing. So now we're gonna go see the bedrooms. Once you walk in here, there's this little space. Once you walk here, and then there's like there's a room right here. I'll show you the bathroom area. And there's a linen closet right here, which is really big. It's really big. And once you come, there's the bathroom right here. Bathroom is not too big, but I think it will do. It's really nice. It was really, when I just saw this apartment, it was terrible. It was pink, it was different colors. So they give me brand new things, which is nice. I like this this right here. I can change the color. It's like an old building, and I have this little cool feature right here where you can put your clothes, you know. And let's check this room behind you. This is my room. You'll see, I think it's a decent size bedroom, enough for a bed, for area for you to do content creating. And right here it's a small closet. It's not too small, but it's not too big because I have a lot of clothes and a lot of shoes which I need to get rid of. Oh, and I have like, a lot of space on top. It's deep. So I'm gonna go to the next room. Once you walk in here, this is the next. This room is a bit smaller. It's gonna be my son's room. I think it's enough space for him. And for him, to have his little bed, a desk, and once you walk in, I like this little cool feature right here, the glass thing. I wish it would be like white as well. The doors are really solid in the brand new doors. I love this silver, all the doors have that, And then there's the same size closet as my room.
I feel like this is bigger.
This is bigger?
Yeah. Yeah, it is bigger.
I guess, yeah. This is his closet right here. And I do love the light features right here. They don't put, like some apartments, they have these ugly light features, but I love these. And I think they're white lights, right? Mm-hmm. They're not yellow, so I don't even need to change the light bulbs. So that's about it, guys. So I am so grateful, I'm so grateful for this apartment because this apartment it was so, like I said, God's hand was on this. Like I was so worried how it happened, the price, I'll give you guys more information, but right now I'm in the process of moving. Everything is just going crazy now according to the plan. but I am so grateful. Also, I'm planning to like go away somewhere, and in the process of like, you know, packing and just like a bit stressed. So yes, that's about it, guys. Let me in the comment section below, what do you think about this apartment? So I'll see you guys on the next video. I don't know if it's gonna be a vlog, but just like, I just wanted to show you the apartment tour. Okay, the
search is over. So
I'm praying that everything goes well, and I love the area. It seems like it's very nice, a nice area. The water is not so far from me. That's it, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. It's a bit echoing because it's empty here. All right. So see you next time.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you like to pick and choose, make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you my best.